Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financial Well YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can start Hamster Kombat. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Hamster Kombat in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen. So you need to tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official page of the Hamster Kombat game, where you can see there is a play now button at the bottom of this page. So let's tap on that play now and you will be redirected to the Telegram. So you can see there is a start button at the below. So let's tap on that and you will be able to start successfully. And you can see there is three options in here: play in one click, subscribe to the channel, and another one is how to earn from the game. So you can also see there is a play option at the bottom left corner. So let's tap on the play for now and you'll be able to access your Hamster Kombat successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can start Hamster Kombat. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.